Hello everybody, today I'm going to be reviewing some food. So, the title of the series is going to be, I think the food pood. Okay, anyway, we're going to see, okay, so, this is a Ritz cracker, we're going to review it. It has a nice texture with holes in it, apparently that's for cutting. Or is it, I don't know. Okay, anyway, and our special guest for this day's video is a charger port. What do you say, Mr. Charger Port? You said you're good at charging devices. Yeah. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna wash my hands so I don't get electrocuted or something. Okay, now let's review the food. Pretty good. Anyway. Alright.